Hey there friends, it is me, HLModTech, and we're back with another episode of our tested series. Today we've got a sweet little USB microphone from FiFine. My friends, let's get cracking. Let's start by checking out what's in the box. Compact little case. The microphone does poke out the top. We'll attach that again in a second. It has a metal base, and there's some instructions, links to their website and social media presence. And if we flip it over, let's check out what's on the back. Thank you for being a valued customer. They hope to meet our needs. Find them on Facebook. Easy to get an upgraded 2-year warranty by signing in on the web. All right, so let's check that out. It has a metal base, extremely flexible, decently long cord, protector at the end, and of course the little windscreen that we're going to add back on that I peeled off when we started. Let's plug it in and see how it works. Alrighty friends, so right now I am recording with this tiny microphone. You can tell because when you tap it you get to hear that lovely noise, but when I set it down we also get to hear just how good it sounds as a recording device using Camtasia. So if we run through the specs real quick, they highlight the portability, compatibility, and that it is fully adjustable. It does have a solid base. It is only 5.7 inches tall, so it's quite short as I sit here compared to where I have my seat. But let's see what kind of audio we get despite that height. Alrighty friends, so I backed out and double checked, and I've got to tell you, I am really impressed with the audio of this little guy. Just highlighting again what they have in the pictures here. No drivers required, fully adjustable gooseneck. They show it right here being used without the noise filter. I've got the noise filter on, and I think it's pretty sharp. Once again, they show it is a total of 6 inches tall, so it is compact and easy to take with you. They've got a little video, which of course we're not going to watch because I'm making my own. You can buy it in several awesome colors, as you can see here. And right now, I gotta say, I am completely impressed with this tiny little microphone. Friends, if you're looking to purchase one, I'll have a link in the description. And if you found the video useful, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or a suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.